Number 1.
1995 Ford F-150, price $6,500. It has been driven 160,000 miles and is powered by a reliable 5.0L V8 gasoline engine paired with a smooth-shifting automatic transmission.
Finished in blue with a matching blue interior, the truck presents a clean and well-kept appearance both inside and out.
It has been regularly serviced, ensuring that the engine performs as it should and the transmission operates flawlessly. The truck starts easily, drives exceptionally well, and has no known mechanical issues, making it a dependable choice for daily driving or weekend cruising. The exterior remains in very good condition, showing that it has been well cared for over the years.
Number 2.
1997 Ford F-250, price $10,500, finished in a classic maroon/red exterior and has 170,000 original miles. This well-maintained truck has remained remarkably original throughout its life, with the only aftermarket addition being an upgraded radio, preserving its authentic factory character. It comes equipped with brand new all-terrain tires for dependable performance on and off the road, along with a toolbox and a long bed mattress that add convenience and practicality for work, travel, or camping. The truck has been properly serviced over the years, shows no signs of oil leaks, and reflects consistent care from its owner. Combining originality, reliability, and functional upgrades, this F-250 is an excellent choice for anyone seeking a classic pickup that is ready to drive and enjoy.
Number 3.
1996 Chevrolet 3500, price $8,950, with just 79,000 miles on the odometer. Finished in tan with a matching tan interior, it is powered by a dependable 7.4L, 454 V8 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. The truck has been maintained to offer both reliability and practicality for everyday driving, towing, or hauling. Equipped with a regular cab and long bed configuration, this Chevrolet 3500 includes power windows, power door locks, a tilt steering wheel, cruise control, keyless entry, and a bed liner for added convenience. It also comes with a factory tow package, making it well suited for towing duties, while the cold air conditioning and functional heating system provide year-round comfort for the driver and passenger.
Number 4.
1999 Dodge Ram 1500, price $5,995. It has been driven 145,000 miles and is powered by the legendary 5.9L Magnum V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. Finished in silver with a gray interior, this gasoline-powered pickup delivers dependable performance for daily driving, while its 4WD system with an NV231 2-speed transfer case provides added capability when road or weather conditions become challenging. The interior features durable gray cloth seating, a black vinyl floor, convenient storage compartments, cup holders, an in-cab hood release, and a cargo lamp, making it practical for both work and everyday use. On the outside, bright chrome bumpers, a bold ram grille, halogen headlights, tinted glass, intermittent wipers, and a winch-mounted spare tire give the truck its classic rugged appearance. Solid axles and heavy-duty suspension further enhance its durability, and a Carfax report is available for added peace of mind.
Number 5.
2001 Dodge Ram 1500, price $4,750, powered by a dependable 5.2L V8 gasoline engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission. This regular cab short bed pickup has been driven 223,000 miles and features a striking red exterior complemented by a clean gray interior. The truck has a clean vehicle history and has been well cared for throughout its ownership. Its desirable sport trim and short bed configuration give it a distinctive appearance that continues to appeal to truck enthusiasts. Inside, the cabin remains clean and well maintained, reflecting careful ownership despite the truck's mileage. It comes equipped with working air conditioning and a functional factory radio, providing comfort and convenience for everyday driving. Combining reliable V8 performance, a clean presentation, and a practical factory configuration, this 2001 Dodge Ram 1500 Sport is well suited as a dependable daily driver, a weekend cruiser, or an increasingly collectible classic pickup that can still be enjoyed on the road.
Number 6.
2000 Ford F-350, price $9,500. It has been driven 290,000 miles and remains a dependable and capable heavy-duty pickup powered by the legendary 7.3L Power-Stroke turbo diesel engine. The truck is equipped with an automatic transmission and a 4x4 drivetrain, providing strong performance and versatility for both daily driving and demanding tasks. Finished in a classic white exterior with a brown interior, this F-350 offers a practical and functional setup while maintaining the rugged character these trucks are known for. The truck starts, runs, and drives well with no reported mechanical issues, making it a reliable option for work, towing, or general use. It also features a bed cover that adds extra convenience by helping protect cargo from weather and road conditions. With its proven 7.3L Power-stroke diesel engine, automatic transmission, and four-wheel drive capability, this Ford F-350 represents the durability and strength that have made these trucks highly sought after. While it does have some cosmetic imperfections due to its age and mileage, the truck remains mechanically solid and ready for its next owner.
Number 7.
1994 Ford Ranger, price $4,850. It has been driven 111,000 miles and comes equipped with an automatic transmission. It features a gray exterior paired with a gray interior, giving it a clean and classic appearance. This standard cab Ranger is equipped with a 4x4 drivetrain and a long 8-foot bed, providing excellent capability for both work and recreational use. Powered by the reliable 4.0L V6 engine, the truck runs and drives excellent, delivering strong performance and dependable power for daily tasks or hauling needs. It also includes an audio system for added convenience and comfort while driving. With its practical design, spacious bed, and proven reliability, this 1994 Ford Ranger makes an excellent work truck for anyone seeking a capable and durable classic pickup.
Number 8.
1972 Chevrolet C20, price $9,999, with 111,000 miles, an automatic transmission, green exterior and interior, and a gasoline-powered 350 V8 engine. Recently rebuilt, the engine starts easily and runs strong, supported by new front disc brakes, rear drum brakes, a new water pump, and a replaced power steering belt. The truck features an AC cab setup. Although the system is currently not working, it has some rust on the door rockers and passenger door area, but the underside remains clean and rust-free. The truck includes extra parts such as rocker panels, a passenger mirror assembly, and marker lights. With a clean interior, good bench seat, aftermarket radio, replaced steering wheel, and quality tires, this Chevrolet C20 is a solid classic pickup with great potential.
Number 9.
1994 Ford F-250, price $9,500, with 265,000 miles, an automatic transmission, blue exterior, gray interior, and a fuel-efficient diesel engine. It is equipped with a capable 4x4 system that works properly, making it suitable for tough jobs in various driving conditions. The truck recently received new front brakes, a new AC pump, and previously had a new radiator installed. Its air conditioning system works great, providing comfort while driving. This F-250 also features power seats, power windows, and a 3.5-inch straight pipe exhaust system that gives it a strong and aggressive sound. The truck currently runs using the front fuel tank, while the rear tank may need a fuel line replacement.
Number 10.
1998 Ford Ranger, price $2,950. It has been driven 178,000 miles and comes equipped with an automatic transmission, white exterior, and gray interior. Powered by a reliable 3.0L engine with a 4x4 drivetrain, this Ranger runs strong and delivers great performance. It features power windows, power mirrors, power door locks, and a fully loaded interior with ice-cold air conditioning for added comfort. The truck is reported to have no known mechanical issues and remains in good running condition. It does have a salvage title due to previous damage, but the incident does not affect the way the vehicle drives or performs.